Let's get this dog. Hey. Oh. Oh, great.
These officers are in for the most unexpected pursuits of their careers. Get ready for a wild ride. First up, an alligator decides to take a casual stroll through town, causing quite the commotion. Watch as officers attempt to handle this prehistoric suspect without losing a limb.
Yeah, once he's tired again. He's getting there. I know, buddy.
Officers move in, rope in hand, ready to secure the target. With quick coordination, one takes the head while the others hold the body. The question is, will it work?
Let me see that rope. Yeah, pull him out a little bit. You ready?
He's behind you. You're looking at the wrong guy.
You want to jump on him? Huh? Yeah, I'm going to take the head. You ready?
Yeah, how far up?
I'm going to go to the head, and you just sit on his body.
Luke, I'm proud of you.
Just keep the weight on him. Give me one more. One more for weight.
One more duct tape.
And a towel to cover his eyes up.
Got a towel.
Hey guys, back off the street. Guys, back off the street.
Mike, do you want the rope tight?
You're fine the way you got it. I just need tape.
That's gonna be all right.
With the alligator restrained, officers move quickly to secure it with tape. They wrap it tightly, ensuring the powerful jaws stay shut. This wild chase is finally under control, at least for now.
Like right here is where you want to get. It's hot. All right, break that off. Let's go around and go flip that.
Yeah, just go ahead and use that hole. We're just using like two rounds. Is that what we're doing? We got plenty. Is there like an
Can
alligator?
you tape his front legs together behind me? I have him like tucked back. So you're just taking his like, yeah, like behind his back, like you're handcuffing him. No, it's alright. Yeah. Scoot up. I know, baby. And you're gonna do the same thing with his back legs.
Talk a little bit.
All right.
Yeah.
An officer estimates its age, noting its size and features.
He's probably 10, right?
That's a permit river here, but I've never seen no fish that big. Well, I caught a big.
You can take like a piece of scope from here to cover his eyes.
We got the 10-footer out of Alabama Park a year ago. There's a lot of big ones around. I tell them, where are we? Everglades? 10-foot meters. There's no shortage.
Joey, what was more entertaining?
Huh?
What was more entertaining?
Dude, what the?
I know. I'd love to be part of this train.
He's warming back up again.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm jumping. I don't even think he's professional. Drop the shit.
After securing the alligator with tape, officers hand it over to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission's Nuisance Alligator Program. Mission accomplished. Next, we've got a determined cow on the run, dodging officers like a seasoned escape artist. Will they be able to wrangle this runaway, or is it off to greener pastures?
Where's your lasso at?
Right here. Go, go.
A runaway cow turns the streets into its personal racetrack, sprinting full speed with officers in hot pursuit. Hooves pound the pavement as the cops struggle to keep up, dodging and weaving in a hilarious yet chaotic chase. Will they finally corner this determined escape artist, or is it off to the races again?
Oh, great. Oh, we're good, we're good. Uh-oh. Oh, easy. That's not good. Get your tarp, Cole.
Cow takes on 2 officers in a fast-paced chase. Hooves versus Boots, who's coming out on top?
Get him on that corner.
Yes, when I get my talker on the next one.
Oh, somebody.
Jumping in my vehicle?
Is this yours? Oh God!
What is this? I cut him off.
It won't. It's female. Ah. Is this your cow?
No!
Push him back this way. Oh.
You got a rope?
Two officers sprint after the runaway cow, but speed isn't the answer, grain is. Without a snack to lure it in, the chase ends in failure. And finally, a tense standoff with an aggressive dog turns into a serious situation. As the dog charges, officers are forced to take action to protect themselves and others. This chase just got real.
29 for 10 on both. They're both added to the call and all forward to both units responding.
Control 5 Charlie, there's some yelling going on. It doesn't sound physical. Hey, stop! Hey, get code, get code. Get outside.
I want him out! Get out!
Stop.
Come here. Come here. My boy. It's my boy.
All right, let's calm down.
Dude, this girl is jacked up.
Okay.
Come here.
Copy 101 Alpha.
Come here, champ.
All right, we're code 4 kind of for
Come
now. Still keep
Come
coming
here.
code, please.
Oh my God, she's jacked up, dude.
Officers arrive at a tense scene, hearing yelling inside but no signs of a physical altercation. As they attempt to de-escalate, a chaotic struggle unfolds with a loose dog adding to the confusion.
This girl is so whack.
Okay, can you
Good.
get your dog?
Yeah, I got him. Come here. Come here. Come here, bro.
All right, I'm code
This
4
girl
now.
is
We're
jacked
good.
up, dude. Come here. Come here. That's my boy.
All right.
No, that's my boy.
Okay.
How
Okay.
you doing?
Okay, calm down. Let's get this dog. Hey. Okay.
Shoot your dog! Grab him! Grab him!
I shoot.
Champ. No, hey, don't.
Get the dog in the
Don't
house
touch
before it gets shot.
Don't touch it. Look. Oh boy.
Can you open your car?
No, I got it. Hey, look at that.
Dog, this dog, keep the dog.
Come here.
Oh, keep the dog.
Come here, Sam.
Don't hurt the dog.
I'm gonna.
Champ.
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 Hey. You really shot my dog?
Hey, sit down right now. Sit down right now. Sit down right now.
No, man. Come on, bro.
Sit down right now.
Sit down.
Sit down right now.
I got you.
Sit down on the ground.
Camera fell.
You're lucky
Bro,
your dog
you
didn't
shooting
get
my
killed.
dog, bro.
No, no. We gave you plenty of opportunities to get that dog in there.
Came this close to freaking shooting it. You need to control that thing.
5 Charlie, there was a taser deployment on a dog. Everybody's code 4 though. Get over there and sit down.
Charlie, taser deployed, 627 on a K9.
That's crazy, bro.
You guys
We
need to
could have
control
killed your
that
dog. You know that, right?
It's not my
I don't
dog.
care. We're
And
gonna
guess what? It could have killed you too.
Okay, well it didn't.
What's going on
Let's do
today?
that.
Hey,
Ma'am,
look at me.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I didn't know.
No, just sit.
Where's
Just
sit down.
Sit.
Champ at?
Sit.
I'm not sitting
We're gonna
anywhere.
stay right here.
Champ at?
Sir.
No, I'm
Sit.
not.
Where's Champ at?
Sir.
Where's Champ
Ma'am, you're detained right now. You hear
Where's
me?
Champ at?
Hey.
Have a seat.
How am I detained?
Have a seat.
Where's Champ at?
Have a seat.
Get over here. Sit down right here on the rock.
All right.
Sit down.
Where's Champ? Oh, God, she's
What's going on?
Where's Champ?
He took off running. Okay. He'll come back, I'm sure.
You guys didn't get him? Where's Champ?
Listen, stop.
I told you I
Stop.
didn't want it. I didn't.
Stop. What's going on here?
Central copy.
Nothing.
Nothing? Were you guys fighting?
No. But where's Champ at?
I don't know. Here's the thing. When I get here, I hear her yelling at you to get out of the house. She comes to the door, and then you grab her and pull her away from the door.
Nah, man. I'm trying to
Okay.
get Champ, man.
Nope. I could have shot your dog at the door when it came at me and bit at me. He could have shot your dog there. We're not talking about the dog anymore. Do you understand?
Okay, well, I'm not trying to fight with y'all, man. But where's my dog, man?
Your dog's gone. We're not talking about the
serious?
dog.
As the situation settled, other officers kept an eye on the German Shepherd as it fled the scene. Eventually, an animal control officer arrived and safely captured the dog, bringing the chaotic encounter to a close.